Today, I will show you my approach to building UIs in Flutter. One of the reasons I love Flutter is how easily you can build fancy-looking apps in record time. Here are the steps I take to do that. I begin by looking at the overall design. I try to imagine how the navigation would work and figure out what would be the main widget for every screen. Is it a list view, or a column, or maybe a stack? Then I create a file for every screen in the design and put it in the UI directory. After that, I create the model classes. If you're a beginner, you can use the .class generator app made by GrooveChip to make the process much more intuitive. By switching the code type to HTML, VS Code can generate dummy text. Another VS Code tip I use is creating multiple cursors by holding the Alt key. Combined, these two features saves me a lot of time. After preparing the dummy data, I start creating the basic components of the app. When a widget tree gets too complex, I extract the widget and save it in its own file. To keep things simple, I don't like using state management while building the UI, so in order to pass data across different screens, I add it as an argument in the builder of a material page route. Now that the app is roughly in shape, I change the styling of the text and experiment with different fonts using the Google Fonts package. If I need an image, I go to the Pixabay website and copy its link. By following these steps, I can build fancy UIs in record time without sacrificing on the quality, thus keeping my clients happy. Do you like my approach, or do you have a better one? Please let me know in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, you can support me by buying a cup of coffee using the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more Flutter tutorials.